Hi everyone, welcome to futurereadyschools.com. So in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use one of the most popular tools we have, that is the personality and future path assessment. So as you can see on the screen, it's the dashboard where we have all these resources. Scrolling down, I'll lead you to the assessment section. Yeah, it is. So this is the main assessment card where it all begins. It's about personality and future paths, right? So this tool is the psychometric based career assessment, specially designed basically for younger students, right? So the goal for this is to make career discovery very fun, engaging, and meaningful for everyone, right? It uh, basically by helping students explore future pathways aligned with their unique personality. So from this card, as you can do see, we have three buttons assigned, right? The first one is the launch button, by clicking on which you will begin the assessment, right? Second one we have is the teacher's guide button. So if you are an educator or a teacher supporting students, this could help you through the process, right? I'll just show you the guide over here. So here you go. This is the teacher's guide where you will have introduction and purpose to the assessment, describing some key principles for you, and even understanding the student report. How you can actually explain the entire report, whatever the results are based on students' answers. You can understand them all over here, all the scoring and characters, whatever are defined, and you can interpret that particular result to the students. Similarly, we have some other breakdowns over here which can help you understand each and every part of the result page. So you just have to go through this. It's very easy to understand. We have tried to make it very simple for you. So going back to the screen, we have next button we have is explore in regional language. So, as the button explains itself, we have different languages which you can try based on your comfort. Clicking on this button, you will be lead to this page, the assessment hub page, where you can select language based on your selected assessment. We have three languages for now. We will keep updating this, but now you can go with the language that you are comfortable. So basically, by clicking on the launch button, by default, you will reach to the English language assessment only. So now let's hit this button and look. Okay, so this is the page where you will land, that is titled as future star page for this particular assessment, right? So this is designed as like a fun game for students. Students just have to answer simple relatable questions about what they enjoy, how they solve problems, and what they are naturally good at, right, to discover what they like the most. So each question here gives four options, as you can scroll down and see. So there are no right or wrong answers. It's all about you feel about yourself, right? What feels the most like you. So as the first question says, when your teacher asks for ideas for a class celebration, right? This is what do you usually do based on this. So you just have to pick one of the answers from the below answer options which suits you the best, which defines your thoughts the best. So there are around 9 questions in total, and it takes just a few minutes to complete it. I'll just cover up all of them. So as I have attempted the test, you also have to read each question carefully and choose the option that best describes your personality, right? You can even repeat until all the answers questions are answered. So once you are done, you just have to click on this reveal my personality style button, Isn't it simple, right? You can easily answer all the questions and lead to the result page. So now this is the exciting part, the result page. Once the quiz is completed, you will see this particular page with the heading as your unique personality style. And here it says about my, based on my answers, that you are a clever organizer. So that means the student likes structure, step by step processes, and some get some satisfaction from completing things perfectly. So as the results are further broken down into like personality description, special superpowers, fun ways to explore, to use your superpowers, and some future ready jobs are also suggested over here, right? You can just go through the entire report. It's very easy to understand how you can actually use your particular powers, whatever are given to you based on your answers. So as you can see, scrolling down, you have some ways to implement them. You have some job ideas to think about based on organizing style, right? Like project manager, data analyst, master planner, data detective. All of these jobs are given over here. So it's actually inspiring, and it gives students a positive sense of direction, not just academically but personally too, based on its personality, right? Based on their personality basically. So once you go through the results, we have some other buttons given at the bottom. First one is the back to questions button, which where you can review your answers again. Second is the download my report button, which will help you download the result page in a document format, which you can consider anytime in future. And next is the play again button, which where you can actually choose different responses to explore other possibilities too. So it was fun, safe space to actually explore some multiple sides of your personality, and you can even see how it connects to the real world of careers and passions. So this assessment is just about isn't just about careers, but it's also about self awareness. As you can see, students can learn to reflect their own preferences, talents, and even working styles. So it's basically also designed to build both confidence and future readiness. So whether it's the student who is trying it for the first time or teacher guiding a classroom of students, right? This entire assessment will be very helpful to you. We have the teacher's guide very useful for the teachers, and all the assessments ready for the students. So you just have to go ahead and launch the assessment and start discovering amazing potentials within every child. So now this was all about the assessment. Now, moving ahead, we have some other tools designed for basically for students' career, right? And it will also help you as a teacher to guide your students. So these particular assessments, which you will give it to the students to attempt, these will all not only provide the insights, valuable insights. Of course, they will also act as a revenue opportunity for your schools, right? So based on this only, the next step we have designed is that you get so that you can take some action related to it. Like it's about exploring all of this and to take action and to guide your students. So that's where our post assessment tools come in. They are actually designed to support both students and teachers, right? To explore careers and to help them build their skills. So we have created a set of practical student friendly tools that will that schools and teachers can easily integrate into their maybe classrooms, or you can say counseling sessions, wherever you would like to implement them. Based on your students results, assessment results, you can guide them according to their interest, according to their goals. So basically these tools are designed to like help students to explore parts based on their interest and strengths, reflect on their progress and set some personal goals they have, or maybe to build some real world skills like financial planning and time management, even to help them find right college for their career to match their goals. That is also a tool which we have implemented, which we have designed for you. So everything designed is very simple and age appropriate and even easy to use, whether you are using it in your labs or you are using it during extra periods, or maybe as a part of career counseling programs or something. You can actually guide your students anywhere at any point. So whether you take this assessment, personality style assessment, or whether you take any other assessment from our package, these apps will guide you at each and every step based on any answers, based on any goals that your student is defining after answering the assessments. So now that you're familiar with the assessment, with the post-assessment tools, just go ahead and make your students attempt these assessments and guide them for their career. Thank you.